Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to. Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, doing.
I was literally just making my food and I was like, this semester is literally almost over. And then we got next semester and I'm barely gonna be at school for real because I got senior privilege.
Hello?
Where you at?
Where we at? Oh, you wanna know where I'm at? We outside!
It's just like one of the moments, y'all. One of the moments. Y'all may see me like here and there. Y'all may see me today and then y'all may see me next week or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Enjoying my last few moments of having classes like this. I'm only gonna have like 3 classes. I'm not gonna have lunch or advisory. I'm just gonna come home early. Yeah, and it's just like, think about it. I'm gonna be out of here. Yeah, but I do wanna show you my outfit for today though. This is my outfit. Black tights. This shirt is from Pink 2. Gray shirt, black puffer. Y'all already know. And then my bubble slides. I just have my Telfar East Pack book bag that I'm wearing. What I'm about to do is eat my food because I'm hungry. Today is the freaking day where all the finals, the tests, everything happens today. If you hear people talking in the back, those are my sisters. I know y'all been seeing me with this hoodie on a lot. Baby, it's a hoodie and it gets washed and it's my favorite hood, child. I got a project I did not finish. I started my project, but I didn't finish it and it's due today and I presented today because I asked her if I could present it today. I was gonna present it tomorrow, but I actually presented it today. It's an easy project. All I'm talking about is what I'm passionate about, which is fashion. Very easy grade, really easy to talk about. Even though today is not giving that because I wanted to be comfortable today. It was just like more of like a hoodie, a chill day for me. Today's the day, and my sister and I, we're about to go to McDonald's and get some breakfast. We're gonna go to McDonald's, get breakfast, and then we're gonna head to school, which is pretty early actually, 7:07. Finished my final for graphic design. I'm gonna show y'all how that came out. We just trying to wrap up first semester. That's what we trying to do. We trying to wrap up first semester, start our second semester, because our second semester we really don't gotta be in school for real because of seat of privilege. And yeah. Hi, can I get an egg and cheese biscuit, 6 hash browns? No, that'll be all. Thank you. We just paid for our food. We're at the third window because, you know, they be putting our hash browns in there. They're making the hash browns make sure it's hot for us. So this sun is hitting. If y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry. We got 6 hash browns and I got me an egg and cheese biscuit. We're splitting the 6. I feel like y'all can't hear me because of my heater thing, but yeah, this lighting is hitting. I need to take some pictures, like for the thumbnail and everything like that. So what we're about to do now is eat. Ain't nobody in the parking lot. We're the only ones in the parking lot. We came here early. I love coming to school early just because if you come like a little late, whatever, that's when it starts to get chaotic, and then everybody and their mama wants to start driving crazy. And I feel like y'all can't really hear me because y'all are on the air thing. Y'all probably can hear me better now. Can y'all? I don't know. I got my hair done. Look. Okay. It's giving length, and I freaking love it. I like how long it is because it just looks so good long. Please. I really like how long it is. I got my hair done. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be going to the guitar center because I'm gonna be getting guitar lessons, so that's gonna be so much fun. And then we should be doing some shopping, and I want to do some spring shopping. I'm about to eat something because I am hungry. So let's see what's going on, y'all. It's not really too much going on right now. I just wanted to show y'all my hair till I got my hair done. Yeah, but y'all see like the full details in like my Valentine's Day vlog because this is my Valentine's Day hairstyle and this is a part of my Valentine's Day preparation. See like the full details, me going to the salon, all in that.
Until I say the only words I know.
Good morning, y'all. I low-key just woke up, so yeah, just woke up. Yeah, I'm about to get ready, get my day started. Today is Saturday. My sister has hair. Yeah. No, don't spin. Just stay still here. You gotta take pictures. That's the plan. That's the plan. She just set the plan, y'all. I put a roll on. Who's the first person I saw? Who is texting me? Alright, and you need to put a roll on. Today is Saturday, and I do have to work today. I work 5 to 10. That's not really long. That's like 5 hours, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 5 hours. Yeah, I gotta work today 5 to 10. At 9:30 the hair store opens, and I need to go to the hair store. It's 8:19 right now. 8:19. So the hair store opens, and I need to go to the hair store and everything like that. Mom, she went to go get her nails done, but after she's done getting her nails done, she's gonna come pick us up and take my little sister and I to the guitar center because we have guitar lessons. If you don't know, I do play the electric guitar. So yeah, and my little sister just started playing the electric guitar. Yeah, we're electric guitar girls. Then we're gonna go to the mall because I want to buy some clothes. I want to get some spring clothes. It's about to be springtime, and there's gonna be summer, and then we outside, and we class of 2023, so we definitely gonna be outside. Not staying outside acting like a hoochie mama, but I mean like outside enjoying life. And I'm not talking about literally outside. We're gonna be under condition, you know what I'm saying? We're not gonna be out. We black. We not staying outside, but we gonna be outside. You know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, oh child, somebody texting me. Oh, he said that's the YouTube grind. About to leave you sleep deprived. Hey y'all. Hey, I'm so sorry. Hey y'all, so I am dressed. If you follow my spam, they actually helped me with my outfit as far as the bag and everything like that, picking out the bag. So I'm gonna show y'all the outfit. I have on this black beater crop top, this black crop top flannel, low-rise jeans, and my black and white Converses, and then just regular black glasses and my bamboo triangle earrings. And yeah, that's the fit, y'all. I'm about to go out like to the hairstyle like I told y'all. It's, let's see, what time is it? It's 10:26. When did I start getting ready? Like 8, right? 8. I forgot what time I started getting ready, but it took a couple of hours for me to get ready because I just want to look real good, real scrumptious, yum yum. But that's the first TikTok sound I actually said right. Usually I'll be messing up TikTok sound. Okay, not too much, Dara. I made it in the car, y'all. Let me put my seatbelt on. This hair is everywhere, for real. I'm gonna charge my phone up. And we're about to be on our way. So we're about to hair store first, and then we are, that's really it. That's where we're going. It's to the hair store right now. And then my mom should be here to take us to the guitar center for my lesson. And yeah. Okay, so y'all, I left from the hair store. Now I'm at Walmart because I need to get more lashes and everything like that. And yeah, and let me tell y'all, why did my nail decide to fall off? I'm about to glue that whole back on. I'm about to glue it back on. I'm about to glue it back on. So I'm about to walk into Walmart and just get some lashes, and that's it. I spent like $20 in the hair store. So I'm gonna give you a little haul of what I got. You know, I didn't only get a bonnet. that was the whole thing that I was supposed to do, but I didn't only get a bonnet. I got more stuff. But we about to go inside this Walmart, get the lashes, and head back home because I don't know if my mom is even home. I'm gonna text my mom and be like, Mom, you home? Are you done? Because I do gotta work today. I work 5 to 10. It's a 5-hour shift. But I'm about to head into this Walmart and stop talking.
Make up like that, and you love it when I make you mad. But maybe
we're at the mall now. Yeah.
make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling.
We're about to leave. Ugh, my hair. We're about to leave now. My mom bought us pretzels, and I found something. If you follow me on my, follow me. If you follow me, you wanna follow me. Stop. Is that how I sound? Her, you gotta follow me. You know. Me. Is that how I sound? No. It was her. Stop, mama. Okay, fine. Okay, geez. You follow my spam. You know, at first I didn't find anything or see anything at first, but I did see something. It's just 2 hats, but they're not just regular hats, y'all. They're so freaking cute. But we're about to leave now. And I gotta go home because I do gotta work, y'all. I had fun today though. I literally just came back home from work. It's like 10 something right now. No, it's actually 11:08, but I just came back home. I just came home. We're not gonna talk about it. We're just not gonna talk about why I'm coming home this time. I just like sitting in a parking lot because it's just so peaceful. Or I like doing like late night drives and listening to music. I don't, like I said, if you watch my like what I do after work routine, you know I don't do too much talking after work. So I just want to give y'all a little haul of what I got earlier because I didn't show y'all a haul. I came home and I had to get ready as soon as I got home. So yeah, I'm sorry if the lighting is bad. Start off with the hair store stuff. I just got like these elastic bands. I started using some. Actually, let me get the rest from out my pocket. I started using these because as y'all see, when I need to put it up for work, so I got like 2 of them. And then I got this like headscarf. Wrap it around if I want to do like a cute little look with the headscarf. This. And then I got me a long bonnet, which I am about to use because I'm tired. But I got me a bonnet. And it's red. It's not purple. And then from Walmart, I got me lashes. And then from the mall, y'all. Because at first I thought I wasn't going to find anything at the mall. But I did. I ended up finding these really cute hats, y'all. And I got me a rainbow color one. So these are the... Oh, I also forgot to show y'all. I got the hair growth, this natural hair growth from the hair store. And yeah, what I'm about to do is take off my lashes. I got church tomorrow because today's Saturday. Oh, I forgot I turned off this phone. Need to turn it back on. But I got church tomorrow because today's Saturday. And I'm really tired, so I'm about to take off this makeup. And yeah, it's 11:13. So I see y'all whenever I see y'all. So I came home from school like around 11, but then I went to McDonald's and I sat in a parking lot, ate my food. And yeah, I'm gonna share the outfit that I wore today because today was starting the new semester. I'm gonna share what I did to my hair, everything like that. Okay, so y'all know it's a new semester. Alright, and I never play when it comes to my outfits. And it's a new semester. So we coming in a new semester with a bomb outfit, new hairstyle, everything, you know? Period. That was my outfit for today. Very cute. I did not vlog like me in school and like my new schedule because they were very strict on like not having anything out, no phones, and I needed to know where my classes were at. And I do leave early, so I only have 3 classes. I've lifted up 2 before, but I only have 3 classes. I have photography class first, math and practice and math, whatever, that class. Then I have gym, 3 classes, and then I'm out. I'm gonna just do the outro.